Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the most important essay topics about Pakistan for CSS exam. So let's get started. Status of national integration in Pakistan. Socio-economic problems in Pakistan. Critical analysis of foreign policy of Pakistan. Urbanization, its hazards and way forward. Rights of minorities in Pakistan, issues and solutions. Development of Pakistan depends on youth, Bulge. Financial Action Task Force KP merger opportunities and challenges. Creation of new provinces on ethnic and linguistics basis weakens the national integration. Making new provinces in Pakistan, challenges and prospects. Is CPEC another East India company? Socio-economic challenges of Pakistan and how to tackle them.